In this video, you are going to learn how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. Write the text here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U and enter. Select it and change the font, the bold font, and change the size to 160. Select it, press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it over here and doing the same task for 5 times. Select all of this and place it like this. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate and place another copy over here like this. Now select these two, click on right button, go to Format Object, go to Fill, click on Slide Background Fill. Now go to Insert, go to Picture, go to Online Picture, right here Galaxy, select this picture, click on Insert, go to Crop, go to Aspect Ratio and click on 16:9. Select it, increase the size. Now press Ctrl X to cut, go to Design, go to Format Background, go to Picture or Texture Fill, click on Clipboard. Select this text box, this one and all of this. Go to Home, go to Text Fill and select the white fill color. Now I have to add some 3D models. Go to Insert, go to 3D Models, click on Stock 3D Models, click on Space and select the Mars and the Moon and the Earth and click on Insert. Here is the Earth, Moon and Mars. Reduce the size and place it over here. Select the Moon, reduce the size and place it like this. Let me select the Earth and increase the size and place it over here. Now change the text and adjust it and EAR, select it and change the text to R. Select it and change it to T. And here will be H. Now click on right button, make it duplicate slide, rotate it, decrease the size, place it over here. Now increase the size of the moon, rotate it and place it over here and place it like this and change the text to moon. And the last one, place it like this. Select this one, hold down the Ctrl key and select all of this and place it over here like this. Click on right button, make another duplicate slide, reduce the size, rotate it, select this one, rotate it, rotate the Earth and place it over here and select the Mars, increase the size, place it like this and place this one over here and change it to Mars. Now let me select this two, go to Transition and click on Morph. Let me tell you one thing, if you are passionate about your PowerPoint slide and if you want to step up your PowerPoint slide like this, here you will see various infographic. I will give the download link in the video description and there you will find 1500 plus infographic like this and you will be able to add this slide in your PowerPoint slide and it's very easy to customize. So if you want to get all of this template, just check the description box. So let us go to the tutorial again. And let us watch the slideshow from the beginning slide. This is perfect. This one also perfect. This one also perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.